Samsung's latest One UI 8.5 beta was supposed to introduce new features, smoother performance, and overall improvements. However, instead of excitement, it has created growing concern among users. Soon after the beta update started rolling out, many users began reporting serious battery drain issues, and the complaints are increasing day by day. What makes the situation more concerning is that these reports are not coming from just one platform. Users are sharing their experiences across multiple channels, including X and Samsung's official community forums. When you look at the feedback collectively, a clear pattern emerges: battery life has taken a significant hit after installing the One UI 8.5 beta. One of the most widely discussed cases involves a flagship device. A user shared a screenshot showing extremely poor battery performance after installing the update. According to the data, the phone managed only about 2 hours and 55 minutes of screen on time with just 6% battery remaining. For a premium smartphone, this level of performance is far below expectations. Even more alarming is how quickly the battery drains during normal usage. In the same case, the device consumed roughly 73% of its battery in under 7 hours. That kind of drain strongly suggests that something is wrong with system optimization. Flagship devices are typically designed to last an entire day on a single charge, so this behavior is clearly not normal. And importantly, this is not an isolated incident. Another user reported similar problems after installing a newer beta build. Before updating, their device was working perfectly fine with stable battery performance. But immediately after installing the update, things changed noticeably. The battery started draining faster, even when the phone was not actively being used. According to the user, the device lost around 5% battery over a period of just 3 to 4 hours while sitting idle. This happened even with power-saving features like Always On display turned off. Normally, idle drain should be minimal, so this points toward background processes or system services consuming more power than they should. The situation becomes worse during regular usage. Tasks like scrolling through social media or browsing the internet now consume significantly more battery. Some users report losing nearly 10% battery in just 30 minutes of light usage. This means that many devices are struggling to last through a full day without requiring an additional charge. In another case, a user mentioned that their screen on time dropped dramatically after installing the same beta version. Previously, they were getting around 7 to 8 hours of usage, which is expected from a high-end smartphone. After updating, that number dropped to nearly 4 hours. As a result, the user now has to charge their phone twice a day just to keep it running. Frustrated with the experience, they even urged Samsung to release an urgent fix as soon as possible. What's even more concerning is that some users who haven't installed the latest beta build are also facing similar issues. One user running an earlier version reported getting only about 4 hours of battery life on a full charge. To push it closer to 6 hours, they had to recharge the device during the day. Their shared usage stats showed a screen on time of just 3 hours and 29 minutes, even while connected to Wi-Fi. Since Wi-Fi typically consumes less power than mobile data, this result raises even more questions about system efficiency. When multiple users across different builds report the same issue, it becomes clear that this is not just a minor bug affecting a few devices. Instead, it points toward a deeper optimization problem within the One UI 8.5 beta itself. At this stage, it seems likely that Samsung is facing challenges with battery optimization. Background apps, system-level processes, or even newly introduced features may be consuming more power than expected. Of course, it's important to remember that this is still a beta version. Beta updates are meant for testing and bugs are expected. However, this level of battery drain is significant and not something users typically expect even in beta software. Now, the key question is how quickly Samsung can respond. Usually, beta programs are followed by frequent updates that address user feedback. If Samsung acts quickly, upcoming beta builds could fix these issues and restore normal battery performance. However, if the problem continues, it could raise concerns about the stability of the final release. Battery life is one of the most important aspects of any smartphone. A major issue in this area can significantly impact the overall user experience, especially for people who rely on their devices throughout the day. For now, users who depend heavily on their phones may want to avoid installing the One UI 8.5 beta. Waiting for a more stable version could be the safer choice. At the same time, these user reports are valuable. They help developers identify issues faster and improve the software before its official release. Clearly, something isn't working as it should with this update. Whether it's a temporary bug or a larger optimization issue remains to be seen.